Guys, if you have pigmentation, if you've got acne, if you've got stubborn marks that do not want to go, this video you're watching right now is for you. I'm in my bathroom. You've got to excuse the baby stuff going on while toddler stuff behind, and it also excuse this redness. I've actually cleansed my face, probably triple cleansed maybe rather than double cleansed, and I'm going to show you how to apply this mask. I'm also going to carry on watching the video as well, okay, because you're also going to see how to make this mask. Now this is what you're going to do. You take the mask and apply it to wherever you have blemishes. Now I actually don't really have a lot of blemishes anymore, thank God, but I do have a few, you know, red parts, which, you know, this can help. Nutmeg is really good for blemishes, pigmentation, for acne. I'm not going to put it on this breakout. I've been working on this, oh my God, time of the month, guys. So what you want to do is you want to leave this on until it dries, okay? And once it's dry, be gentle, wash it off, but apply this often, okay? But carry on watching. You're now going to see how I make this, and if you do try it, don't forget to leave me a comment as well, okay? Did you know that ground nutmeg mixed with milk turned into a paste can help with brightening up blemishes and pigmentation? Now I actually had no idea until, and this is what my skin looked like, guys. For the long time OG followers, you will probably remember what my skin was like back in the days, and it was very, very bad. And I just want to tell you guys that if you do have acne and you are wanting to clear up your acne, you really need to look within first rather than just using products. So do look within, okay? Heal your gut, heal your digestion. Look at that first before you start really investing into so many products, because that's what I do. But one thing that my dad did do was he told me to try this on my skin back in the days when I had a lot of acne and blemishes. And I did actually think, first of all, hold on, I am not applying this to my skin, but it does actually help with blemishes and with pigmentation. I am a full-on believer of God has put everything on earth for us to use, for us to get natural, you know, healing from what God has given us. And this is one thing that I would definitely recommend to you guys to try, and it doesn't take a lot. So I put 2 tablespoons of milk and just added the nutmeg until I've got a consistency like this. You can in fact make it a bit thicker, but I don't like that. This is amazing. I love this stuff. And if you guys would like to see what are the products I make that are natural and that are good for your skin, for your hair, for your body, I want you to give me a subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, because the more you guys engage, the more YouTube gets happy with my videos. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? But that's just how it works. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in another video.